I've had many tears and sorrow. I've had questions for tomorrow. There's been times I didn't know right from wrong. But in every situation, can get me press consolation. The my trials come to only make me strong. I've been all praises, and I've seen millions of faces, but there were times that I faced all alone. But in my lonely hour, it's those precious lonely hours, Jesus lets me know that I was His own. Let me see it.